Hi, I'm working on a project where I need to make HTTP requests in a Twisted application. I heard about the Treq library, but I'm not very familiar with it. Could you tell me more about what Treq is and how it's used?
Treq is an HTTP library built specifically for use with Twisted, a popular event-driven networking engine in Python. It's designed to provide a simple, higher-level API for making HTTP requests in a way that's more user-friendly than using Twisted's low-level HTTP client. It's particularly useful for asynchronous programming in Python.
Interesting. How does it handle making requests? Can you show me an example?
Sure, here's a basic example of making a GET request using Treq. In this example, we use treq.get to make a GET request. When the request is complete, handle_response is called with the response. The function prints the status code and then prints the response body.
That looks straightforward. What about other types of requests, like post requests?
Treq also makes it easy to perform post requests. Here's an example. In this code, we're making a post request to http://httpbin.org/post with some form data.
I see. And how does Treq handle responses? Is there a way to process JSON data easily?
Yes, Treq is quite convenient for handling JSON. It provides the JSON_content method, which automatically decodes JSON responses. Here's how you use it. This will print the JSON content of the response.
Great. What about error handling? How do I deal with failed requests?
Error handling in Treq is done using Twisted standard callback and airback system. You can add an airback to your request to handle any errors that occur. In this example, handle_error will be called if the request results in an error.
That's very helpful. Is there anything else I should know about Treq?
Just a couple of things to remember. Treq is great for Twisted-based applications due to its asynchronous nature. Also, it's important to ensure you're familiar with Twisted's event-driven programming model to make the most out of Treq.
Thanks a lot. This has been very informative. I feel much more confident about using Treq now.
You're welcome. Good luck with Treq and Twisted.